Hi, welcome to my Tech Fun. In this video I will do the review or only unboxing of the precision screwdriver set for repairing electronics, PC, mobile phone and similar. And this box is sent to me by Banggood in exchange for a review. Now, from time to time the Banggood asked me to do a review of their tools, and usually I accepted it under two conditions. First, it must be at least a little bit related with 3D printing, which is the main subject of this channel. And the second is that I always check the reviews. And I don't only check the numbers, but also the written comments. And this product has almost 300 reviews with a score of 4.9, and it got very positive feedbacks from the buyers. Yes, I'm using a screwdrivers already. This is my set of screwdrivers. This one is cross, which arrived with the Prusa printer, and these three are flat with different sizes. And let's see if these are included in this set. On this side I can see different bits inserts, and on this side I can see the holder and maybe a few other parts. Here we have this 115-in-1 toolkit details, what's included in several languages. This is the holder. Some kind of flexible extension shaft. Plastic part, I'm not sure how strong is it. Can I use it to flex maybe the printed part from the printing surface? A metallic tweezers. This is highly recommended to have next to the printer. I have only two tools which are always next to my 3D printers. One is the pliers and the second is the metallic tweezers. A suction cup. Another plastic part for the flexing. This must be some kind of adapter. Another plastic part for bending or flexing. Okay, and this side is empty. Let's see the other side. Here we have those bits, inserts. Different triangles for flexing, or maybe somebody who have the guitar can use this. I'm not sure what this part is for, but it says demagnetize, magnetize side. And these are inserts or bits. I hope I can focus here. And to answer my question, if I can replace my set of screwdrivers, this is the widest one. This one is just a little bit smaller. And it's magnetic. And of course, from these flat screwdrivers I have a really big set, and also from these cross or Phillips screwdrivers, I think in English. Yes, that's the one. And for 3D printer users, I think this one is the most important. These are hexagonal Allen key inserts, and we have them from the 0.7mm size up to 6mm. Of course, with the printer you don't need so small bits, but from 1.5 up to 5mm, those can be very useful. Well, just a small test. I will try to tighten these bolts on this chair. I think it is 4mm Allen key. Oops. Let's test this shaft extender. And in this case you can use it on the small angle if the bolt is on some hardly accessible place. Well, of course, in this version it cannot be applied to big torque. I will tighten it as much as possible, and now I will see if I can tighten it more, how much with the directly. A little bit, okay, acceptable. And my final thoughts, a really decent screwdriver set if you don't need some extreme sizes. Because with this, well, we have some quite bigger inserts, but with this holder you cannot apply too big torque because it's small, it has small diameter. Of course, I notice here a small hole. We can place something here to apply a little bit bigger torque if necessary, but with these smaller inserts, of course, it's not recommended. So those reviews on Banggood website was right. I really recommend this product. I will place an affiliate link down in the description to Banggood site. Affiliate, it means that doesn't cost you more, but I will get some small commission if you use that link for the purchase. Well, that was it. As you can see, tools are part of my tech fun. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will follow me to my next video too. Bye.